In this video, I'll show you how to open Discord on a computer. First, you have two main options: using Discord in a web browser or installing the desktop app. The quickest way is through your browser. Open Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you prefer, then go to the official Discord website. Once the page loads, click Login and enter your account details to access Discord instantly. If you prefer using the desktop app, go to the Discord website and click Download for Windows or the version for your operating system. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation steps. After installing, launch the Discord app from your desktop or Start menu. When the app opens, log in using your email and password, or use a login option like QR code if available. Once you're logged in, you'll see your servers, direct messages, and voice channels, just like on mobile. Now you can chat, join voice channels, and use Discord directly from your computer. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.